Welcome to our business plan presentation with Panic Out. Our company is basically a social reformer and organizer too. Our company helps you to get rid of your phobias and fears. We can't get rid of your fears, but we can help you to get rid out of your phobias by a VR digital treatment. So basically, first of all you have to do is download an application from Play Store and fill the required details. You will get two options after filling the details and the installation, which is first to get the treatment at your home, and second is to get the treatment at the clinic. You can choose any one of them because no one charges an extra charge, so it doesn't matter anymore. Then after, you will get a treatment by our employees at the clinic. Now you will be thinking, like, what can we do if we don't treat you? Customers will? No, it's not like that, because we are going your treatment. First attempt would be free of cost, so your money would not be wasted. So let's begin with the introduction of the treatment, or Panic Out. So just imagine that you are having nyctophobia. Nyctophobia is fear of darkness. Like you are in a closet and you are just afraid of everything. You are getting unconscious. You are feeling anxiety. We are there with you to get rid of it. So first of all, you would be sitting on a chair while holding a joystick, and then after we'll make you wear a VR to get a proper imagination. After wearing the VR, you will find yourself in a bright room. Then after moving the joystick forward, you will get forward. You have to unlock 10 doors. At the 5th door, you have to survive for 30 seconds, which would be in a complete darkness. The more you go further, the more the light will get dim. After reaching at the 5th section, you will find yourself in a complete dark room. I know that you will get unconscious and feel anxiety, but no worries, because it's just a world of imagination with VR. After clearing the fifth section, you will get further and you will acquire greatness. So this is our treatment. But if you are thinking that you are not giving us any guarantee, so how can we trust you? I know that you can feel it, but as the treatment is off course, you can contact us day at the treatment or after the day. Now I would like to share Yana Amin and hand over the targets. Thank you.
Our main targets are 75% men's and 25% women's, because women are more experienced anxiety than men's. In the age 15 to 25 age, people feel less anxiety than 26 to 45 years old, and 45 plus feel less anxiety than elders and more than teenagers. So now I will like to handle it to Divya.
Hello, Shams. Satisfying customer is the best marketing strategy ever. As we know, each and every person have fear or phobia. Fear is the natural emotion or something imaginary. So therefore, it cannot be controlled. But phobia is something that can smell danger in real life too. Therefore, we can control it. But the vital question arrives that how can we overcome our fears? But now, no worries, because Panic Out is here. We will be using latest technologies. We will be using latest technology named VR device, also known as virtual reality headsets. Now, what is VR device? VR devices is nothing but head-mounted simulator which will give you real-life experience and help you overcome your fears. Coming on to the marketing plans, hashtag awareness campaign, counseling sessions, happiness drives, seminars and webinars in schools and colleges, summer camps and winter camps, banners and canopy, etc. will be held. Now, as we all know, that this is the world of total internet. So therefore, making a correct use of that, we will be advertising on our social media applications, ads on YouTube, review on program, and free counseling sessions. Now, coming on to the main topic of finance, I would like Nitya to acknowledge finance.
Hello Sharks, let me tell you about our financial planning. As our product will have to spread a lot of awareness, we are investing maximum part of our budget in marketing. Hence, we will have to invest in digital marketing as well as ground marketing activities. We will need 15 lakh rupees in digital campaigns and 75 lakh rupees in ground activities. Our product cost rupees is 7,000. Hence, we are targeting to reach out to at least 1,000 customers in our first year, generating the revenue of rupees 70 lakh. And then we are targeting 3,000 customers in second year, third year 6,000, fourth year 9,000, and so on. We started with an investment of 5 crore and expecting you to invest 25 crore in our organization for 10% equity share. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitya. Now you might be aware of our financial planning. Our company is not just located in India, but also it is famous all over the world. Penny Scout is also a project on mobile phones, then tablets, laptops, etc. Okay, so let us have a view at our advertisement also. Thank you, Sharks.